New at 5:30, just days after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, there's concern over the fate of other landmark rulings. 3 in particular following the concurring opinion by one conservative justice. Philip Townsend gives us a closer look at the cases.
Following Friday's Supreme Court reversal of Roe v. Wade, it's the concurring opinion some fear will lead to a fundamental shift. Justice Clarence Thomas arguing that the High Court should reconsider other landmark rulings, naming 3 cases in particular: Griswold, Lawrence, and Obergefell. Let's look back at those rulings. Griswold versus Connecticut, 1965. This Supreme Court ruling granted married couples the right to use contraceptives, or forms of birth control, without government restriction. The second case mentioned in Justice Thomas's opinion, Lawrence versus Texas. The ruling in 2003 made same-sex sexual activity legal in every state.
It's going to be a new day starting today for gay Americans and for all Americans.
Finally, the most recent of the 3 cases mentioned, Obergefell versus Hodges.
On whether or not same-sex marriage is a constitutional right.
The 2015 decision gave same-sex couples the fundamental right to marry nationwide.
It's been a wild ride.
The warning and concern from President Joe Biden and Democratic lawmakers today: the Roe v. Wade reversal will make it easier to overturn some of these cases. Griswold, for example, because certain forms of contraception prevent pregnancy after fertilization. Now, the majority opinion in overturning Roe last week said the decision should not call into question other precedents. But the High Court's liberal minority, in a dissenting opinion, wrote, quote, "No one should be confident that this majority is done with its work." For 13 News Now, I'm Philip Townsend.